To create a multi-step form, go to KoalaForms, All Forms, and then click on Add New Form. Select the multi-step template for a head start, or create a blank form. Here, we will start with a blank form. Name the form as desired and click on Create Form. You'll be redirected to the Form Builder, where you can add fields. Update the name of the step to show what the step is about. Add the fields from the left pane, or click on the plus icon and search for the field needed. Configure the unique name, label, required setting, etc. as per the requirements. Click on Add Step to add a new step. Configure the name of the step. Add and configure fields to the new step. If the step is last, you would like to update the label of the button to Save or Submit. Form button properties of the step. Take a quick glance to check if all the fields are added, placed, and configured correctly. To publish the form, save and copy the shortcode given on the right pane under Form tab and paste the shortcode on a page. It's always a good idea to test the form before publishing on a page. You can create a preview page and test the form. Open the preview page and fill the fields in each step and submit the form. Check the submitted form under Submissions. The status for the test from submission will be Preview. Click on View to verify the submission. And that's it, your multi-step form is ready to go. Thanks for watching, and happy building!